Hi, let me explain my project first of all. So this project is in the domain of VQA. So VQA stands for Visual Question Answering. So what visual question answering is, you input an image and you ask a question about that image into the AI system, and the AI system would return the answer. So that is basically what VQA is. I'll explain my research project using this architecture diagram of mine. So my solution has 4 tiers, which is the presentation tier, the delivery tier, and the logic tier, and the data tier. So the presentation tier is a web application. The delivery tier is a REST API, which lets the web application communicate with the backend. The backend is where the main process happens. So the backend has 3 modules. So the first module is a feature extraction module, which extracts the image features, the caption features, and the question features. The second is the feature fusion module, which fuses the extracted features, and that's passed on to a prediction module, which would return the prediction to back to the web API using the back to the web application using the REST API. And finally is the there is the data tier, which has the data sets, the necessary vocabulary, and the previously trained models. So this is basically the architecture that I followed. So a little bit more about how different my research is to this general VQA system is that I am taking a third input, which is the caption. So a typical VQA system would only take the image and the question, whereas I am taking a third input, which is the caption. So the reason behind why I take the caption is because generally images are very complex in nature, which is hard for a model or a computer to compute. So what I'm saying is that by having a textual description of what happens in the image, the model can understand the image better. So I take the third input. So let me just show you a quick demo of the prototype that I built. So this is the web application. So I select an image and then I ask a question. So this is where I take the third input, which is the description. So I'm describing the image. And when I click on submit, it's sent to the model, and the model returns giraffe as the answer. So I can also ask another question about the same image. So let me just ask another question. So it returns that there are 2 giraffes. Let me just ask another question as well. So it says that it's brown and white. So that's about it for the demo and about my project. Thank you.